Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Insta Pot Blender is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own, effortlessly transforming your meal prep from tedious chopping and blending to quick, delicious creations. Whether you're whipping up silky smooth soups, crushing ice for refreshing smoothies, or even making homemade nut butters, this powerful machine is designed to simplify your culinary adventures and elevate your everyday cooking. Number 5. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender. Experience the power of an 1100-watt motor that effortlessly crushes ice and blends tough ingredients. It's perfect for creating delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces. Our total crushing blades pulverize ice into snow in mere seconds. Enjoy perfectly blended smoothies and frozen drinks with ease. Blend large batches for the whole family in the generous 72 ounces pitcher. It's ideal for parties, meal prep, and serving everyone. Create your perfect smoothie directly in the 16 ounces to-go cups. Just add the spout lid and take your refreshing drink with you anywhere. With 3 speeds, pulse control, and a single-serve function, you can personalize every blend. Achieve professional results for all your favorite recipes. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup as all removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. What we like. This blender boasts an 1100-watt motor and total crushing blades, perfect for crushing ice into snow in seconds. It also includes convenient to-go cups for blending directly and taking your creations with you. If you're looking for a versatile blender that can handle tough ingredients and offers portability for your busy lifestyle, this is a great choice. What people say. The Insta Pot Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance that can handle a variety of tasks, from blending smoothies to making soups and sauces. Its powerful motor ensures smooth and consistent results, even with tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruits. The blender comes with multiple speed settings and a pulse function, allowing for precise control over texture and consistency. Number 4. Ninja Professional Blender BL610. Experience the power of 1000 watts. It's designed to crush ice and break down even the toughest ingredients with ease. Make frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for everyone with the extra-large 72-ounce pitcher. It's perfect for the whole family. Our total crushing technology provides incredible power. Its blades pulverize ice, fruits, and vegetables in mere seconds. Turn ice into snow in seconds for delicious, resort-style frozen drinks. You can blend all your favorite ingredients effortlessly. Get inspired with the included recipe guide. It offers great ideas for drinks and dishes you can create. Cleanup is a breeze. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making it as simple as using it. What we like. With 1000 watts of professional power and total crushing technology, this blender pulverizes ice and tough ingredients with ease. Its XL 72 ounces pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. If you need a reliable blender for large batches of frozen beverages and smoothies for gatherings, this one is ideal. What people say. The blender is powerful and makes smoothies quickly. It is easy to clean and store. The different speed settings are very useful for various recipes. Number 3. Vitamix 5200 Blender. Introducing the Vitamix 5200, a professional-grade blender designed to handle all your blending needs. From silky smooth smoothies to hearty soups, it effortlessly creates delicious dishes. Experience the power of its 2-horsepower motor. This appliance ensures your blends are perfectly smooth every time, eliminating any unwanted chunks. Equipped with laser-cut stainless steel blades, it can tackle tough ingredients like fibrous produce, frozen fruits, ice, and nuts. Enjoy consistent results for years to come. The generous 64-ounce container is perfect for creating the signature Vitamix vortex. It's ideal for making everything from smoothies and juices to purees and hot soups. Achieve the perfect texture for any recipe with 10 variable speed settings and a high-speed option. You have complete control over your creations. Cleaning is a breeze with its self-cleaning function. Just add water and soap, and it's clean in under a minute, saving you time and effort. Rest assured with a 7-year limited warranty. This blender is built for reliable performance and your peace of mind. What we like. This professional-grade blender features a powerful 2 HP motor and 10 variable speed settings for precise texture control. Its standout feature is the self-cleaning function, which cleans the blender in 30 to 60 seconds with just water and soap. If you value ease of use, consistent results, and a quick cleanup process, especially for busy households, this blender is an excellent investment. What people say. The Insta Pot Blender is a game-changer for my kitchen. It blends smoothies to perfection, leaving no chunks behind. The self-cleaning function is a lifesaver, making cleanup a breeze. I love how versatile this blender is. It can crush ice for frozen drinks, puree soups, and even make nut butter. The powerful motor ensures smooth and consistent results every time. Plus, the sleek design looks great on my countertop. Number 2. Ninja SS351 Blender Food Processor Combo System. Introducing Ninja's most powerful blender system. It crushes, processes food, and makes smoothie bowls and dough, all from one convenient base. Experience the power of 1,400 peak watts. Its dense motor handles heavy loads without stalling, so you don't need to stir or shake. Enjoy 6 preset Auto IQ programs for effortless one-touch creation. Make smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chop ingredients, or prepare dough. Let intelligent programs take the guesswork out of drink making. They combine timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to do the work for you. Achieve precision in your chopping and mixing. Start slow and gradually increase speed as needed for perfect results every time. This 72 ounces pitcher does it all. Crush, chop, make smoothie bowls, and prepare dough, all conveniently in one pitcher. Create smoother extractions, smoothies, and frozen drinks with the nutrient extraction cup. It provides a better breakdown for your favorite beverages. What we like. This is Ninja's most powerful system, featuring a 1400 peak watt motor with smart torque technology to handle heavy loads without stalling. It offers 6 versatile functions, including food processing and making smoothie bowls and dough, all with one base. If you're looking for a true all-in-one kitchen powerhouse that can tackle a wide range of tasks from blending to dough making, this system is designed for you. What people say. The Insta Pot Blender has a powerful motor that makes smoothies in seconds. The self-cleaning function is a game-changer, saving a lot of time and effort. The blender comes with multiple attachments, making it versatile for various tasks like grinding nuts and making nut butter. Number 1. Abuler 5-in-1 Immersion Blender. Experience effortless meal prep with our powerful 1000-watt immersion blender. Its turbo boost mode saves you time when creating soups, sauces, dressings, smoothies, and milkshakes. This multi-option stick blender is your ultimate kitchen companion. With attachments for blending, chopping, whisking, and frothing, it handles everything from smoothies to baby food. Achieve the perfect consistency every time with 12 adjustable speed settings. The intuitive speed dial gives you precise control over your culinary creations. Enjoy comfortable and secure operation with its ergonomic, non-slip handle. It's designed for easy handling, even with moist hands, preventing any slips. Switching between attachments is a breeze thanks to the snap-on-off design. Cleaning is just as simple, with most parts being dishwasher safe for your convenience. Save valuable counter space with this compact yet powerful blender. Made from BPA-free plastic and durable 304 stainless steel, it's built for safe and long-lasting use. What we like. This 1000-watt immersion blender is a versatile handheld tool with 12 speed settings and a turbo boost mode. It comes with multiple attachments, including a chopper, whisk, and frother, making it suitable for a variety of tasks from soups to smoothies. If you have limited counter space or need a compact yet powerful blender for everyday tasks like pureeing, chopping, and frothing, this handheld option is incredibly practical. What people say. The blender is powerful and blends smoothly. It has multiple speed settings and a pulse function, which are very useful. The design is sleek and modern, and it's easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.